Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum also performing quite well. It's reached yesterday $3,500. Pretty cool. The uptrend is still unfolding. Also Ether on the shorter time frame reacted to our support zone here. Please be aware that we are following a more accelerated bullish count here. So I've got from the January low this 5-wave move to the upside. A wave 1 likely peaked on the 20th of February. A wave 2 bottomed on the 21st of February. Very shallow wave 2. There were reasons for this. I described them all in previous videos. Therefore, however, a less reliable count maybe. Just be aware of that. What we're tracking therefore is now that the price could be in this third wave. And in this third wave, we have another 1-2 setup possibly. Here as well, just a commentary around, I'm not sure how deep the wave 2 is going to be because we are tracking an accelerated bullish count. So we might not see deep wave 2 pullbacks. That's been the message all along about Ether now. Since we've broken above 3,100, we are likely going to go to the 4K range and so on higher more directly without any deeper pullbacks. At least it is a likely option and it has turned into my preferred scenario, or let's say not because I personally prefer it, but because it's the most probable scenario because certain levels were broken. And at the moment, I think, yeah, yesterday I showed you, I mean, if we then take a look at the 1-2 setup in the larger third wave, in Roman wave 3, the idea was yesterday that, okay, you know, possibly this here is wave 2 or was wave 2. You know, looking also at Bitcoin, I think it's possible that this was only wave 4 in wave 1 actually. It doesn't make any difference. I mean, the support zone was triggered and the price is reacting exactly what we wanted. So support is holding. Our scenario is still being adhered to. I just want to make sure that it's clear that it could just have been the wave 4. We're now just doing the last bit here, a wave 5. And as long as we stay below 3,740, and don't get a sustained break above it, it is likely that we get another wave 2. However, use this level, 3,741, as a key pivot. What does it mean? If the price breaks above it, I don't think we get this wave 2 anymore. And yeah, it was probably already in. And we are in the absolute heart of a third wave rally. So the 3,741 level, it's not directly a breakout point, but it's one of those markers like the $3,100 level was that tells us, okay, we're going to go up more directly, even more directly. Okay, so that's sort of what I'm tracking now. The support levels are holding. Price reacted to the support zone, pretty bullish. We broke out of this channel to the upside. I can actually take out the channel lines. We don't need that anymore. Just always try to keep the chart clean. And yeah, I mean, 3,741, I think, is sort of the next level to watch. By the way, no, I shouldn't say that. That's the next main Fibonacci level where sentiment shifts to even more bullish. That's essentially what these Fibonacci levels are. They allow us to understand how sentiment is shifting. Yeah, how is sentiment shifting? And you know, essentially these Fibonacci levels are mathematical representations of market sentiment. So we know that above that level it's going to be more directly bullish and we don't need to look for another wave 2 pullback. So essentially in this structure here, we are in a situation in which we shouldn't expect deep pullbacks. If deep pullbacks show or pullbacks at all, they could be opportunities. I always try to give you the support levels. At the moment, they are not changing. They're at the moment still between 2,997 and 3,242. But I will have to adjust it slightly if the price pushes any higher in wave 1. So, but above 3,741, I assume, you know, I will take out the micro count and then just say, okay, we are already just straight away third wave. Could really go parabolic soon. I mean, I don't want to... Normally, I'm not talking like that. I'm just, if we break above 3,741, we're just going to go up more directly. Okay, I shouldn't say parabolic. There will still be pullbacks. They will just be shallow. Okay. In an alternative perspective, we could still see a deeper pullback, but that has become less likely even with the latest high. And then please be aware, and I will show you that once on the daily time frame, the $3,580 level, that is the next structural resistance on the daily time frame. Oh, I opened the Bitcoin chart, didn't want to do that. ETH daily. So it is basically the green line. We're nearly there. Yeah, it's here, this level, 3,580 pretty much, plus minus a few dollars. That's going to be next structural resistance. Would be an ideal spot to finish off this wave one I just showed you. If we push any higher, maybe it's going to react to that next fib level here, 3741. But above that level, I assume we are going up more directly. Now, don't make the mistake to think, okay, it's 3,750 and now we are gonna moon. It doesn't work like that. It's you know, it's not exact science, yeah. But they are pivots where, you know, if the price sustains above it, don't necessarily watch for a deeper wave two. That's what made me favor this more directly bullish count, in contrast to the yellow one, which is also bullish, but where a deeper pullback is due, but not anymore because white is in control. So hopefully that makes kind of sense. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.